Let's make directional sprites in Scratch. Make a square, add an outline, and then you can go ahead, add some eyes into the sprite, make the eyeballs like inner circles inside this eyes. Then you can go ahead, fill the eyeballs. Let's make a smile now. And now let's duplicate your costume. Give it a name, the direction that you are facing in, and then move the eyeball wherever your direction is. So up has the eyeballs up, down has the eyeballs down. Let's make the eyeballs go right for the right costume and left for the left one. And now let's go to our sprite. We'll go ahead at the event blocks. The event blocks that when a certain key is pressed, and we will set the keys to the arrow keys. Now go into the motion section. We'll drag out the motion blocks for change X by a certain number and change Y by a certain number. And then we will go ahead and drag the switch costume block and switch the costume to the relevant direction. Also, we will set the initial costume to the very straight-eyed costume, which is facing in no direction. Now let's test. Ooh, we have costumes for each direction. Cool.